One thing on the streaming computer is all the mouse and the keyboard are all wireless. Right now I'm showing you where the mouse is being charged. And there's an on-off button right here. It's on, it's green right now, but if it happens to be off, like that, it won't work. So before you turn the computer on, I suggest you turn it to green so that the computer actually sees it before it gets too far into getting started. And the keyboard has the same thing. Both of these are wireless, and they're plugged in charging all the time, so they should be charged. So if they get unplugged, they should be good.